Hi, we're the Bryans, and this is Full Disclosure.
I'm Brian Fay. This is Brian Taylor. Today we're going to talk about PMI.
Private mortgage insurance.
Everyone's favorite topic, PMI.
So nobody likes to pay PMI, but I thought we'd start today with just the basic question, what is PMI?
Right. So PMI basically it's an insurance policy for the lender that protects them against default.
Yeah. So, I mean, people have to generally put skin in the game. So whether that's a 3%, 3.5%, 5%, there are some 0% financing out there, but they put some skin in the game. The lender says, hey, that's not enough. If something goes wrong with this loan, if you default, we want an insurance policy that we get bailed out, essentially, give them protection against that risk.
Right. And unless you put down 20%, PMI is required. There's ways to get around PMI. It's called lender PMI. They'll give you a higher rate and get rid of the PMI, but that's...
Sometimes that's more advantageous, sure.
Right.
So why they do 20%, we're not really sure. It just seems like that is
the number percentage they came up with,
yeah, and it works. It gives them enough comfort that they have that up to that point. Anything beyond that, you don't have to pay PMI.
Yeah.
So really quickly, a couple things about PMI. It's different. You do a conventional mortgage.
It'll cancel when you reach the 80% loan to value.
Exactly. And it's also going to be based on things like your credit score. And your down payment. So if you're a 5% down payment with a 680 credit score, you're going to pay a lot more PMI than if you're 15% down and a 760 credit score. So there's a lot of factors involved. FHA is a little bit.
Yeah, FHA, you're paying mortgage insurance for the life of that loan, no matter what. And it's the same pretty much for everyone over a 640 credit score.
Yeah, exactly. So PMI, it doesn't really do anything for you as a borrower, but for a lender, it's required to give them protection against the risk of default. So something we can't avoid. Okay, so that's all we have on PMI for today, and that's it for Full Disclosure.
We'll see you next time. Thanks.